So close your eyes. Let your shoulders drop and simply allow yourself to let go of anything that didn't resonate for you today. Like, don't try to figure anything out. Just trust that you got what you needed to get from the session. And if something just didn't sound right for you, no worries, let it go. We don't need to struggle or strain. Let's allow and let. Allow and let. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And now I want you to imagine an elevator. And as you step in and I count down, you're feeling more and more relaxed. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now the door is open and you are in such a beautiful place. What does beautiful place invoke in you? Is it a dream home? Is it a beach? Is it a meadow? Wherever you are in this place, what I want you to pick up on is the energy of this place where it feels so expansive, so free. It's so easy to be here. And we're just going to spend a minute or two here, so enjoy it. Take in the sights, the sounds. How does the ground feel? Are you wearing shoes or not? Feel peace, alignment, harmony. Peace, alignment, harmony. This is available to you all the time. It's within you. Connect with how this feels and where you feel it in your body and the expansion that you feel. Take one more look around here, knowing this is within you. You can access this anytime. Notice the elevator and step in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.